Listen, friends, this is Pastor T. Ray Greer of Salem Baptist Church in Mason, Tennessee, and here's a little Greerology. Romans chapter 12, verse 3 says, "For I say, through the grace given unto me, to every man that is among you, not to think of himself more highly than he ought to think, but to think soberly, according as God has dealt to every man the measure of faith." Haven't you wondered from time to time why some Christians are so extra special? They add joy to your life even if your eyes only meet them in a fleeting moment across a crowded room, or one smile or a handshake opens the floodgates of a conversation as if you've known them all your life and you've been friends with them for ages. Growing Christians increase your perspective, enlarge your capacity for learning, and leave you filled with unmeasurable joy. On the other hand, other Christians drain your supply source, taking so much spiritual energy away from you that when you leave them, you are exhausted. Sometimes, not even your sense of humor is intact. As I have observed and talked with hundreds, no, make that thousands of Christians, the ones who are dynamic and loving people, are constantly blooming, growing, and bearing fruits in Jesus Christ. They are not the arrivers, but they are the becomers. You have to be careful when you deal with people who think they have arrived. It is the becomers that will never stop growing, never stop learning, and therefore they will never stop teaching, nor will they stop sharing with you. Be blessed, my beloved brothers and sisters in Christ. Friends, if you would like to know more about me, please visit my website at www.greerology.org. Again, that's www.greerology.org. There you'll be able to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. While you are on the site, please leave your email address so I can start sending you our powerful newsletters. Also, if you have a topic you would like for me to address, please leave your information on the Contact Us link. I would love to give it some Greerology. Remember, to the world, just one person, but to this one person, you are the world.